Hi guys, this book is called Rain. It is written by Linda Ashman and the pictures are by Christian Robinson. Here is the title page. Ooh, look at all that rain. Is that how it looks at your house right now? It's how it looks at my house. Although, do they live in the city or the country? What do you think? What's the setting of this story? Rain. Rain. Nasty galoshes, blasted overcoat. There goes my hair. Is it raining cats and dogs? It's raining frogs and pollywogs. Hippity hop. Uh-oh, it seems like somebody's in a good mood and somebody's in a bad mood. Good morning, sir. Hardly, dang puddle. Good morning, young man. Ribbit. Enjoy your paper. Humph. Just more bad news. I think he woke up on the wrong side of the bed. What do you think? How are you, Mr. Frog? Hoppy, hoppy, hoppy. Finally, we're here. Coffee, black. Cocoa and cookies, please. Yum, delicious. Watch out. Sorry. Ribbit? Oh, did he take the cookie? How's he feeling now? His hat! Oh, what's the little boy gonna do? Hey, wait! You? That one too. Mine? Ribbit? Oh, is he being silly now? Yum. Welcome back, sir. Ribbit. Sometimes, is it nice to be nice to somebody even if they're not being super nice to you? Can we help turn somebody's bad day into a good day? I think that's what this little boy did. Do you think you could try to make somebody's day a good day today? Send me a message and tell me what you think.